Sa tanong ng ating subscriber kung pwede pa mabago ang decision ng NLRC Commission, yes, pwede pa. Kung yan ay decision pa lang, pwede pa nilang i-MR yan ng respondent within 10 calendar days from the time na matanggap nila yung copy ng decision. Ngayon, kung yan ay isang resolution na sa MR nila, then pwede pa silang umakyat sa Court of Appeals. Now, kahit final executory na ang kaso dyan sa NLRC Commission, ang basehan nila dyan ay ang Rule 65 sa petition for certiorari, dahil pag na-comply nila yung requisites, kaya niyan, directed against the tribunal, and ang tribunal acted without or in excess of jurisdiction or with grave abuse of discretion, and there's no appeal, plain, speedy, or adequate remedy in the ordinary course of law. So pwede yan mag PFC or petition for certiorari sa CA and seeking to annul and set aside ang decision ng NLRC Commission kahit na